Hey everybody, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in to another video of One Tool a Week Guy. If you're new to the channel, we take a look at tools every week. So if you love tools, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. What is it that we're going to be taking a look at this week? Well, this week we're going to go ahead and take a look at this puppy right here. This is going to be the Klein tool 6-piece blackout screwdriver set, limited edition, and of course it's going to be model number 85446. BLK. So this is how it's gonna come. This is the set, as you can see the back, and let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we got. Okay, so just so you know, your typical Klein set is going to be this right here. It's going to have the yellow or highlighter yellow with the black cushion grip, and of course, the steel or chrome shaft, whatever the case is. Now, these are going to be their limited edition. They're going to come in black, as you can tell. Let me see if I can move that over. So you're going to see that this section is going to be all black. You're still going to have your handle, but up here, you're going to have a black section as well. And also your shank and your flathead is going to be all black, which is very nice, pretty neat. And also, if you want to distinct your tools, it's a nice way. Also, they're going to be made in the USA. Let's see if we could zoom in, and you can see that up here, made in the USA. Very nice. And again, this is going to be the flathead number quarter inch. So it's going to be a 1/4 inch flathead, and it's going to be all black. Let me move this one to the side. The next one that you're going to get is also going to be a Phillips head number 1. And it's going to be this puppy right here. Super nice with the grip. After that, you're also going to get this puppy, which is going to be the Phillips head number 2. That way you could see it. And of course, the side is going to be right there. And this is going to be the Klein Tools logo. And this is going to be the Phillips head number 2. The next one that you're going to get is going to be up top. You're going to see that this is going to be the flathead 3/16. And you're going to have it right on here. Let me see the camera. There you go. And that's going to be it right here. You can see the handles all around, everything black. Very nice, very nice. And last but not least, as far as the handles, it's going to be the square number 2 that you're going to get. The top, and then also you can see that it's square number 2. Another neat feature that you're going to get is going to be the Klein magnetic and demagnetizer right here. Super nice. So on the top, you're going to be able to magnetize your screwdriver. And then at the bottom, you're just going to demagnetize it. That way it doesn't have any magnetism on it, which is very nice. And it does come in black when normally it comes in the orange Klein color. So very nice, very neat. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This set, again, is going to set you back for $29.99, which is kind of the same price of whatever Klein's tools leaves you. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching One Tool a Week, guys.